Today we're taking a look at the 1971 Chevy C10. Absolutely love this truck. It's got a Chevy 350 in it, a 4-speed factory manual transmission. It is a long bed 4-wheel drive truck. It was restored around 8-10 years ago. It's in really good shape. She sounds incredible too. Runs and drives really well. You got brand new front tires. The truck does have headers. It's got an exhaust, fully rebuilt motor and trans. It's got 80,000 miles on it, I believe. Full cloth seat. Truck does have heat. You got a Hurst shifter, aftermarket steering wheel that I may swap out. Don't love it. It's got a Bluetooth radio in it. It does have the factory sticker behind that panel. You'll see it photographed on our website. This one's going live on the internet today at BRIANSAutocenter.com. It's a good one, nice and clean, ready to go.